Welcome back to MSR Master Vision YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss about a simple concept, that is metabolites. Here metabolites are how many types? Metabolites are mainly two types. One is primary metabolites, second one is secondary metabolites. So here what is the definition for primary metabolites and what is the definition for secondary metabolites we need to learn. Yes, here what is the definition for primary metabolites? So primary metabolites means simply we can remind this code. By using this code simply we can learn the definition of primary metabolites. So here G for growth and DP for development. So the materials which are required for growth and development we call as primary metabolites. Example, carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Yes, then we can go for secondary metabolites. What is the definition for secondary metabolites? So the materials which do not require for normal growth and development we called as secondary metabolites. Example, alkaloids, tannins, resins, gums and latex. Now let us start our topic alkaloids. So this concept is very important for 1 mark question and 2 marks question and 4 marks question. This is expected for 2021. Before going to this topic, if anybody watch our channel first time, please like, share and subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. Yes, this is giving one type of encouragement to me. Yes, now I'll start the alkaloids topic. We'll see the definition of alkaloids. So what are alkaloids? Alkaloids are nitrogenous byproducts and poisonous. So these are stored in different parts of the plant. Common alkaloids in plants and their uses are given below. Yes, now we'll discuss about one by one. So before going to this alkaloids, simply we can remind one simple code here, QNMRPCNS. QNMRPCNS. So Q for quinine, N for nicotine, M for morphine, R for reserpine, P for pyrethroids, C for caffeine, N for nimbin, S for scopolamine. So simply we can remind with this code. So QNMRPCNS. So Q for quinine, N for nicotine, M for morphine, R for reserpine, P for pyrethroids, C for caffeine, N for nimbin, S for scopolamine. Now we will discuss about one by one. Yes, the first alkaloid name is quinine. Yes, quinine we can get from Cinchona officinalis or simply we can say Cinchona plant. Yes, from which part we can get? From the bark to we can get quinine alkaloid. Yes, what is the use of quinine? Yes, it is used as a anti-malarial drug or it is used for the prevention of malarial fever. Yes, the second alkaloid name is nicotine. Yes, nicotine we can get from Nicotiana tabacum or simply we can say what, tobacco plant. Yes, from which part we can get? From the leaf to we can get nicotine. Yes, it is used as a insecticide. The third alkaloid name is morphine or cocaine. Yes, from which plant we can get? Papaver somniferum or simply we can say opium plant. So from which part to we can get this alkaloid? From the fruit to we can get this alkaloid. It is used as a painkiller. So this is very important alkaloid. So morphine and cocaine we used as a painkiller. Next we can go for a fourth alkaloid. The fourth alkaloid name is reserpine. So from which plant we can get? Yes, we can get from Rauwolfia serpentina. Which part to we can get this alkaloid? From the root we can get this alkaloid. It is used as a medicine for snake bite. It is used as a medicine. Here we will discuss about one by one. So the first letter name is Q. Q for quinine. Yes, quinine we can get from which plant? Cinchona officinalis or simply we can say Cinchona plant. So from which part to we can get this alkaloid? From the bark to we can get this alkaloid. But what is the use of alkaloid? Anti-malarial drug. So it is used as a, or it is used for the prevention of malaria fever. The second letter N. So N for nicotine. So by using this code simply we can remind the alkaloids. The first letter name is Q. Q for quinine. So quinine. So Q for quinine. So quinine we can get from the plant Cinchona officinalis. So from which part to we can get? From the bark to we can get? Yes, it is used as a anti-malarial drug. So it is used as a anti-malarial drug or it is helpful for the prevention of malarial fever. Yes, the second letter N. N for nicotine. Yes, nicotine we can get from Nicotiana tabacum plant. So from which part to we can get? From the leaves to we can get this alkaloid. It is used as a insecticide. Then the third letter is M. M for morphine and cocaine. Yes, morphine and cocaine we can get from Papaver somniferum plant. Yes, from which part to we can get this alkaloid? From the fruit to we can get this alkaloid. It is used as a painkiller. This is important alkaloid. Yes, which alkaloid we used as a painkiller? Morphine and cocaine. The fourth alkaloid name is reserpine. Reserpine we can get from Rauwolfia serpentina. Yes, from which part we can get? From root to we can get, but it is used as a medicine for snake bite. It is used as a medicine for snake bite. Next, the fifth alkaloid name is pyrethroids. Pyrethroids we can get from chrysanthemum. Yes, from the flower to we can get, it is used as a insecticide. The sixth alkaloid name is caffeine. Yes, caffeine we can get from which plant? Coffea arabica. Yes, from which part to we can get? From the seed to we can get, is working on central nervous system. So CNS, simply we can remind CNS. Next, the sixth alkaloid name is nimbin. Yes, nimbin we can get from the plant of neem plant or Azadirachta indica. From which part? Seeds and bark and leaves to we can get this alkaloid. It is used as a antiseptic. Next, the last alkaloid name is scopolamine. This scopolamine we can get from Datura stramonium plant or Umetha plant. Yes, from which part we can get? From fruit or flower we can get this alkaloid. Then it is used as a sedative. Sedative means it is helpful for reducing the irritation. Sedative means, yes, it is used as a yes, the last alkaloid name is scopolamine. From which plant we can get? Datura stramonium plant we can get this alkaloid. Yes, from which part? From fruit and flower we can get? It is used as a sedative. Sedative means it is used for reducing the irritation. From this table, they are asking mainly alkaloid name. Next, from which part we can get? Next, use of the alkaloid. So here if you take quinine, so quinine we can get from the bark. It is used as a anti-malarial drug. Second alkaloid, nicotine. Yes, nicotine we can get from the leaves. The second alkaloid name is nicotine. Nicotine we can get from the leaves. So from these leaves too we can make beedi and cigarette also. But nicotine it is used as a insecticide. Next, morphine and cocaine. It is used as a painkiller. Next, the fourth alkaloid name is reserpine. So in that name only is there reserpine. Reserpine means serpum. Serpum means it is used for medicine for snake bite. From which part we can get? From the root we can get. Next, pyrethroids. It is used as a insecticide. It is used as a insecticide. So here we need to remind one thing. Yes, insecticide. Which alkaloids we used as insecticide? See once here, nicotine used as a insecticide and also pyrethroids used as a insecticide. So here nicotine and pyrethroids we used as a insecticide. Next, caffeine. If you take caffeine, so caffeine alkaloid mainly it works on central nervous system. Yes, sometimes whenever we are getting tiredness, we will take coffee or tea. Why? Because it gives a relief to the central nervous system. The next alkaloid name is nimbin. Yes, nimbin we can get from the next alkaloid name is nimbin. Yes, nimbin we can get from the Azadirachta indica. Yes, from seeds and bark and leaves too we can get this alkaloid. It is used as a antiseptic. So in the kids age, when the children are affected to the smallpox and measles, at the time our parents are applying the paste of neem leaves to the body. Why? Because it is used as a antiseptic. Next, the last one, scopolamine. Yes, scopolamine alkaloid we are getting from the Datura stramonium. In Telugu language we can say what it is, Umetha plant. So from the fruit and flower too we can get this alkaloid. It is used as a sedative. Sedative means for reducing irritation. So this is about alkaloids. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe and share to your friends.